Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to make images glow in Canva. So from here, I'm in my Canva homepage and I will create a blank Canva design. So I'll just create a blank presentation, and then here is our Canva design. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use an image right here. So let's type in person and then let's choose photos. And then just choose a specific photo that you want to use. So for example, I want to use this one. Then from here, we can just remove the background like this. If you have Canva Pro, you can use this one. But if not, you can just download this photo right here as an image. For example, like this, go to share, go to download, and then download this as a PNG. Then I'll just select page 2 only and download it like this. Then what you can do is that you can go to a website called remove.bg so that you can remove the background of the image. And then you will basically have the same effect that we have done earlier in Canva. So you can just download this like this and then just add it to your Canva design. And as you can see, we basically have the same image from our page 1. And then now we can proceed. Now that we have our image like this, we can just change the background. For example, I'll just change it to a gray color. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to add the glow effect by clicking on the photo, clicking edit, and then scrolling down, going to shadows, and then choose glow. And then right now, we already have our glow effect, but we can change the settings as well. So for example, I'll choose like a yellow color, and then we can just increase the size, and then the blur amount, and then the intensity. And then as you can see, now we have our image with a glow effect. And another way that you can do this is by using duotone. So I'll just duplicate the page and then going to edit again. And from here, I'll choose none for the shadows. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to use duotone. So just click that and then click the specific color that you want to use. So for example, like pomelo. And then we're going to do is that I'm going to copy this photo again, and then I can just remove the shadow again right here. And then what you need to do is that you just need to align this glow effect to your current photo. So from here, I'm sorry, I'll just adjust the size, for example like this, and then you can just adjust your image like this so that you can still have that glow effect. And then that's it. So that is how we can make an image glow in Canva. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.